In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Uber driver app not working. The first thing you want to do is update the app to the latest version. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search for Uber driver app. Here, if you find an update option, go ahead and tap on that, then update the app to the latest version. This should fix any bugs within the app. Once it has been updated, go ahead and tap on open. Now this issue should be fixed. If it is not fixed, then you simply want to tap and hold on it, then tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and find storage. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, open Uber app and check. If your issue is still not fixed, you simply want to uninstall the app. Once you have uninstalled it, you want to reinstall it again from Play Store. Go ahead and tap on the install option. Now log into your account and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.